Hello everyone, I am Zishan Ahmad, and over the past few months, I have been working over this project, EmbeddedChat. Uh, and today I would like to present the progress of it along with the demonstrations. So, uh, for the agenda today, we'll first be discussing about the introduction and the project goals and its associated demonstration. Afterwards, we'll go ahead with the future scope of the project. So yeah, talking about the introduction, if I have to summarize embedded chat in just one line or something, I would say it's like a mini cousin of Rocket.Chat, where we can, like which we could integrate into any website, web page, or web applications, and like it is very configurable and flexible to integrate it. Here is one of the sneak peek, as you can see on the screen. This is a website that is just to showcase, and here this particular window is embedded chat integrated into it, and like if someone sends message or if they want to test any RC apps, it will be able to support that as well. So, yeah, and integrating embedded chat is like quite an easy thing to do. You just have to import embedded chat from @embedded chat slash React. And then just by passing a few props like host room ID and theme object, we'll be able to set it up into any web page or web app of your choice. Yeah. So like this project is like already 2 years old, and Abhinav and Sidharth both were already working on this project from last 2 years, and it is already like was in a good shape. This year, the major goal was to improve the UI and make it remotely configurable. So these were some of the project goals that uh, for this year. So first one was the customizable themes and the chat layouts. So the goal was to improve the theming, make the colors completely uh, uniform over the app, then taking out the component library. And it's like we are not using the fuselage because of its size. So we have built our own component library, and now it is also as a part of monorepo, where one can even standalone use it in their own project or any project associated with embedded chat. Then like one of the major goals for this project was this the UI kit integrations and the action processing involved. So since like this was based on our own UI component, so we cannot directly use UI kit of Rocket.Chat. So like with the help of our own components, I had to go ahead, study the Rocket.Chat core code base, understand how UI kit works, and then integrate it with our own component. So this was like quite a challenging thing to do. Afterwards, next the project goal was to make our embedded chat remotely configurable via Rocket.Chat workspace. So that is the one. And afterwards, earlier the theming of the embedded chat was to be like controlled via code, but we thought like let's also give a layout editor so that even if someone does not have that much of understanding, they can still customize embedded chat with the help of this drag and drop layout editor. So yeah, so first is this customizable themes and chat layouts. I will straight go towards the demo. Mm. Yeah, so this is like our normal chat application, like with the design similar to what Rocket Chat offers, uh, and then we also have all these options integrated into it. But then we now also supports different variants of embedded chat, say curve variant. In curved variant, as you can see, now one like a developer, if they want to customize it and make sure that both of these uh, like the own chat and some other chat is divided into two separate parts, they can do that as well. So as you can see, like this is the bubble chat, and accordingly all of these UI will be taken care of. Like for example, this replies, and this one was the simple one. So, and apart from that, there is one more customization option. Like here, this threads or members, all of it is opening as a part of sidebar. So now in this another variant, we can also customize it to open as pop-ups. So And also like these menus could either be inside this or even one like based on the theme object, we can also move it outside and configure it to appear as pop-ups. So this were one of the improvements. Then yeah, yeah, then talking about this component library. So as I said, I have made this UI elements as a complete separate monorepo, which can be standalone use. And it's quite simple to use. You just have to import all of these required components from UI elements. And then also the theme provider will also be extracted from this UI elements. And in any app which they want to use our UI, like UI component library, they can also do that as well. And they can provide this custom theme if they want to. Otherwise, the default theme will be applied. Okay, now coming to this UI kit integration part. So yeah, like as you can see in this Notion app, or I've tested it across multiple apps. This Notion app, this is the reminder RC app, and this is the news app. So in all of it, this UI kit will also work properly, like including all the actions. Earlier, these actions were not supported, and also the UI kit model was not separated as a complete monorepo, but now it is separated, and all of these action processing will work as well. So let me show the demonstration. So for example, I just go ahead and Notion create. This will open up this. This is an RC app. I think it's like created by Nabak. So, and all of these action processing will work as intended. Let's say 15. Um, and this has been created. And along with that, all other slash commands and things will work as well. Uh, Notion. Yeah, so almost all the functionality of RC app can be supported inside embedded chat as well. Mhm. Okay, coming to this remote control of embedded chat. So let's say I have this uh, embedded chat RC app that is installed in our Rocket.Chat server. And for example, if I want to customize any of it, let's say width or height or the fallback channel name, uh, once all of this is customized according to our needs, then the user just have to click on the save changes, and then accordingly the styles will be applied as well. So the developers can like remotely control embedded chat configuration across different integrations. And afterwards, coming to this drag and drop layout editor. Yeah, so we now also like support like as a new sub project, we also have a drag and drop editor where the developer can customize the themings or however they want to move the components. And once they are happy with their changes, they will just click on this generate the theme button, and the entire theme object will be generated. Let me go ahead with the demonstration. So, yeah. So this is like a dummy embedded chat where one can customize things. So for example, this maximize close, if some developer want to keep it here, or let's say I want to keep start messages here, just have to drag and drop it. And let's say if I just don't want to keep search messages into my integration room members, so I can just delete that as well. Similarly for here, we can move things, we can make these things inside. And suppose if I don't want to provide this add reaction button, you can just simply cross on it. Then the similar thing will be applied here as well. And all of these things will be customizable. And once the like developer is happy with the changes, we can go with the start tuning. let's say they want to keep it a different color. So let's say if I'm applying this particular color and mm, let's give it a border, a darker border. Yeah. So for example, I want to keep it like this in the light mode, and in the dark mode, let's say I customize it to be somewhat dark green or something. Mm, So like once I'm happy with this, I will just go ahead and click on this generate theme, and the entire theme object will be generated, which one can copy, and then they just have to go here in our embedded chat RC app. Mm, yeah. Okay, I'm not sure why we're not getting this option. Anyway, let me show it from here. Yeah. Yeah, so once the user is happy with uh, this theme, they can just go here in the settings and then just paste this custom theme, save all the changes, and then go back, refresh the page, and the desired theme will be applied. So as a part of future scope, I think one of the important part is to make it even more mobile responsive, even though currently it is, but we also want to support like very smaller screens as well. And apart from that, one futuristic goal would be to uh, automatically match the theme colors wherever this embedded chat is integrated into. So we'll extract the theme colors from host page and then uh, automatically find out which colors will suit best on embedded chat and integrate into it, and like implementing a draft feature as well. So these are some of the future scope for this project. Yeah. So finally, like I would like to really thanks Siddharth for all the support and guidance that he gave. He was literally an amazing mentor. We always had this chat and every week, and at every point he did as much as he could. So thanks a lot for that. And then I would also like to thank Singli sir, Abhinav, Nabha, Devanshu, and the entire Rocket.Chat community, like for guiding me throughout this GSoC. And even before, like I would say, when I just started, Abhinav was the one, which like who provided all the support and guidance along with Nabat and Devanshu. So thank you so much to all of them. Thank you.